Lego.
Welcome. It's your girl Alicia. Hey. Thank you for stopping here. Nice to see ya. Click and learn.
Hi loves, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Alicia, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. So today I'm back with another hair video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do micro loops hair extension on your short natural 4C hair. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, definitely stick around and continue watching this video. So today's video is in collaboration with Niawigs. This is what their packaging looks like. It's very stylish and I love that about them. When I open the box, I see the hair. They sent over 3 bundles, 14 inch, 16 inch and 18 inches. But we'll get to that in a bit. I also got some section clips, extra beads, a pamphlet, and a how to wash hair flyer, and a branded Niawigs bag with their website and all that details on the back. And that's all that came in today's packaging. This is what the hair looks like up close. As you can see, it has loops and it makes the install process way easier, and it's of a kinky texture. And I also noticed that it didn't come with any chemical smell and I didn't get any shedding. Each bundle comes with 4 sub bundles which has 25 strands in it. But I'll make sure to link all the details in the description box, so be sure to check that out if you are interested. And don't forget to use my code Alicia20 to get 20% off. So in order to get a versatile wear from my micro links, this is how I'm going to pre-part my hair. With this parting, you'll be able to get a half up, half down, a center part, a side part on either sides, as well as put the hair up into a high ponytail or a low ponytail. I did speed up this section of the video. I do have chapters, so you can go ahead and skip ahead to the section that you want to see. All you have to do is just click the down arrow and you'll see the chapters, and click on more to see the full description box.
Bad man, them really wanna test me, wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's VQs.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, send me feeling bad. I'll be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them are coming, them are looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that you're mine, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really.
So let's get started. You want to make sure you part each section into a smile. That way you can easily put the hair up into a ponytail if you like. So the first thing that you're going to do is to take your natural hair, put it through the loop, and then you're going to hold the bead and pull the string until your natural hair passes through the bead. Then you're going to take your pliers or clippers and squeeze the bead, and that's it. Easy peasy easy.
Bad man, them really wanna test me, wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling.
If you didn't get it the first time, let's go again. You're going to put your natural hair through the loop. Hold the bead while you draw the string until your natural hair passes through the bead. Then you're going to take your clippers or pliers and squeeze the bead. And that's all it is. You want to ensure you don't put the bead too close to your scalp because you don't want it to be too tight. You want it to feel comfortable and can be moved easily. I did 2 rows of beads and then I skip a row. And I did that for my entire head, even the front section that I parted out. Also, you don't want to do the part too big because if you do, your natural hair won't be able to pass through the bead, as you can see from the demonstration right here. So I did get the clippers / pliers from Amazon. I'll make sure to link that down below in the description box as well. So I'm pretty much going to repeat the process for all my visual learners.
What you talk about? Man, I light you up. You will tell me on. Man, I play my song. You will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007. Man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling. Something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling. Something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire. Yeah, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man.
Now at this section, this is where the first bundle of the 18-inch was finished. As you can see, I did the first 2 rows of beads on either side. As I mentioned earlier, the hair can be put into a high ponytail or a low ponytail, a center part or a side part on either the left or the right.
Really wanna test man for him. Bad man, them really wanna test man for get that feeling. Something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling. Something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want.
But let's get into the intro of how I decided that I wanted to style the hair. So as you guys can see, I did a half up, half down with 2 braids on the side, and then I put beads on the end. So after I defined my parting, I went in with my edge control, then I put it into a ponytail.
Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about. I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you will tell me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling. Something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling. Something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire. Yeah, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl,
Then I braided the sides, give it like a stitch braiding thingy. And then I put beads on the end. Then I pretty much just straightened the hair with my flat iron. And while you're doing this, you don't want to put the flat iron too hot. And remember, the beads are plastic, so if you put the flat iron on the beads, it's going to melt away. So you don't want to do that. So that's what I did for the extension and my natural hair to blend together well. Now this style did take me 2 hours, because less than 2 hours actually, because I started at 6 p.m. and I finished around 7:43. I was timing it, and this is my first time doing this style, so it didn't take that long.
Something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire. Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's VQs.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, send me feeling bad. I'll be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sad.
Now, in terms of how the microlinks affected the hair after you finish installing and you decided that you want to take them out, all you have to do is to take the red pliers from the plier set that you got from Amazon, yes, and instead of squeezing it down, you're going to put it the opposite direction and squeeze it until it gets back into the circle, like how you originally got the bead. Then all you're going to do is pretty much just pull it through. So if you guys did find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Until then, it's your girl Oli. Go and pick up yourself.